Now that tile installation goes to the left behind that closet, and it also goes here. So now this tile has to line up with whatever's coming out from there. That's why I have the laser set up here. And it's very hard to see the laser line on this Ditra heat, on the orange stuff. But check it out, the line is here, see? So the laser now, it's lined up with this. This tile is not installed, everything else is installed there. It's not installed, so see the laser lines up with the grout, the future grout line. When I work here, it's very easy to see the laser. And then it's lined up with this, see the green line right there. So this grout line, see the laser line on the wall? Even in daylight you can see it on the ceiling. That's the laser line right there. So it's a 3-plane laser. I'm only using this one now. This one right here, but there is this one on top and there's this one on the side. So it's a 3-plane 360 laser. But basically that's how I make sure, first of all, that the beginning line over there by the wall, it's a straight line, and then connecting that tile to this, I have a laser, and every piece of tile that I install from there coming this way, make sure everything lines up. It's a great laser.